Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you will be fine today. So welcome to my YouTube channel Grey Fashion, and today in this video we are talking about South Indian blouse design for a royal bridal look. This is new collection for you girls. And girls, you can check here latest peacock work blouse design images of 2020 for you girls. And you can check here is another one most unique and stylish wedding blouse designs for you girls, which is so unique and beautiful design and gorgeous. And here is a striking bridal blouse design to brighten up your big day. And girls, there are so many beautiful collection of blouse design for you girls and women. I hope you will love it all my new design, and these are new and trendy design of 2020 and special for girls. Please like my video if you love, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Grey Fashion, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. And thank you so much for watching this video.